Hi guys, have a good day. You know that I'm working on some Mura Panicooler big stocks for several years. Here is some of them, The dormancy is over now, and now it's actually last of February. The new green shoots are coming. This stuff is good and got a good ramification here. Here, take a close look. Maybe this branch I have to cut in coming future, because it looks very clumsy here. I have to cut this one maybe. Have a very good trunk and a beautiful body. Actually, I made the earlier with the upper part in the last year, Yeah, and now it's another one. It's also okay, but I think, and did a massive gin. I did a massive gin on it. Gin or sorry, whatever it is, because it goes towards the nibari, Maybe I have to set it in a more slant angle in coming reporting. Well, it's okay, but the main problem is about this guy, this middle one. Take a proper look. Can you find the deficiency? Yep. Did you find it? Actually, here the silhouette is not perfect because it's a massive space, blank space here. That's why it's not perfect, I think. And you know that here it's a massive chopping mark. Actually, I made an earlier with the upper part last year. You can follow the video in the description box below, Well, now think about the blank space. I left the tree for a couple of years. I mean, a couple of growing season, but not a single branch came from this side. So I have to follow another technique now. Okay, just stay close and stick around. And one thing, don't skip the video. ঠিক আছে গাছটাকে হেলিয়ে লাগাও ওখানে ঠিক আছে চলো Now I'm just covering up the joint marks with the sealing cement, You can use melted wax also, but not the Fevicol or any kind of water solvent adhesive, because one of my subscriber asked me that if you can do it by Fevicol or not. You can't use Fevicol because it can be dissolved by water. Sealing cement is the best, or you can use the melted wax. And now I'm just tying up with a grafting tape, tightly tying up with the grafting tape, and that's all.